The Park Service has been very fortunate to work with Mexico and Canada in the CEC, and we've benefited from a real dialogue between managers in ocean parks, particularly in the North American Marine Protected Areas Network, in places like Channel Islands, for example. And Channel Islands has a sister park in Mexico, Isla de Guadalupe. And the dialogue and the focus on conserving these special places has really helped us in understanding our own parks, because we manage very similar resources and we confront very similar problems. And so that's been of huge benefit to the Park Service, and we hope that through this project we can expand into outreach and communication with the public through the videos that are produced. In the endeavor to conserve a particular place like a kelp forest, it takes quite a bit of research and understanding of how that kelp forest functions. For example, we're still assessing what will happen to kelp forests as the oceans get warmer and more acidic. And sharing that type of research and monitoring is of particular value, because the connectivity between these places on the coast through the migratory animals, through fish and larvae and young fish that travel hundreds of miles between places. So there really is a good reason for managers to cooperate and share information. The aquariums connect to the public, much in the same way that parks connect. We have 84 parks in the oceans and Great Lakes, and they receive about 87 million visits per year. And so when you go to an aquarium, you're right in the middle of experiencing up close many of the animals that you might see in a park. So there's a natural synergy there, one we'd like to explore more in these aquaria and the publics that they serve, very similar to the visitors that we serve in the parks. We could have a shared mission and some real opportunities to work together. And we have the Yellowstones of the ocean. Some of the most spectacular places on the planet are underwater, those underwater landscapes, great places, coral reefs, kelp forests, even things like seagrass beds really aren't well understood. And so video and bringing the experience directly to folks who don't dive, don't snorkel, but really have an interest in learning more about the oceans is one way to do that.